Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadian bakalami ka khubor ba ka kinhon Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union kilapan mi ka jingtho bakin sangi penpoi umphriang sha ka jala Meghalaya namar ka jingshep tieng bayo don ki bapenwet yaki halinti kabalawan ra aru ka jingduna umphriang ha ka jala Meghalaya Hendrai hadian bakilayo ya ka jingkular na ka sorkar jala halor ka jingsynran badban ai ka jingada yaki Mynta ka Sngi kilas dang man Biang ban shalani ki umphriang sha ka jala Nakliang gibor Pulit kibala aplupa ban lom ya baro ki kaliket umphnyang kibawan na asa man paharaya ki halenti ban poi shakipam. Nakaliang jo usan chet Surekha u Joint General Secretary jongka Petroleum Dealer Association uloong bakadon ka Jingsynran khayi ya ka umphnyang sha Meghalaya daga Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union ka bashipor namar ka dangdon ka jingaki a Meghalaya handai hadian balayo ka jingpentikana na ka sarkar Meghalaya bakin pha iki Pulit bat paharaya ki nakaliang ka association kelas dang man pha Biang Mynta ka Sngi kumba saw photli ki trokket umphnyang ban penpoi sha Meghalaya Ryngkat ka jing pahara ki Pulit Meghalaya nakaliang jong ula penparu ka jing sngongo ki Pulit ki balakloy ban ye trailang bat ki bat ukermen baki kambaro kinong ki Ïaid ben baula penparu ka jing sngo halor ka ka balaja mukro bat nakaliang ka jong ki kermen bakani ka jing yakhi kan poino sha ka jing yesok bat ki kambaro kin Ïaid bet ya renti kumba julong
इसको लेके जाने दे रहा है इसको लेके जाएगा आने का टाइम में हम लोग तो इसको नहीं मिलेगा फिर आने का टाइम में कुछ होगा फिर तब मारने के बाद हम लोग ये फ़ोन करके क्या करेगा मारे दिया हम लोग को तब कैसे फ़ोन करेगा हम लोग देखिए नहीं आता हूँ तो इसको अपनी हाँ भाई Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya. I'm the Joint General Secretary. What is happening here is that since yesterday, because of security concerns in Meghalaya, the Tanker Drivers Association, which is Assam Petroleum Mazdoor Union, they had temporarily stopped the supplies. And yesterday, after assurance from the government that they'll be providing police escort, so today the supplies to Meghalaya have resumed. And the Meghalaya police, as you can see in the background, they are stationed here in Jorabad and they are escorting all the vehicles all the way down to the different districts of Meghalaya. And so we from the Petroleum Dealers Association, we are very grateful to the Meghalaya government and particularly to the police department and the IC sir from Burniat and the SP sir from Rigoy for providing us with all the support so that the smooth supplies to Meghalaya continue. And we from our Dealers Association, we would like to also say that we stand together and it was a very sad event that we had to lose so many lives, and we hope and pray that peace and prosperity will continue within our state of Meghalaya. Thank you.
ये हो गया